So another important thing when you're doing a gut job, remodel job, upgrade, bump out addition, not only electrical, but also HVAC, okay? There are certain codes that you have to abide to, and according to each county or state or jurisdiction, whatever city you're in sometimes, and it has to be performed by a licensed HVAC professional, right? Who has their own license and is able to get a permit, right? Because remember, there's at least 3 permits that you need to get during a renovation, right? Or a large build out. Number 1, the building permit, which we use our architect. Number 2, the electrical permit, which we use our licensed electrician. Number 3, a HVAC permit, right? And you use your licensed HVAC. Now, I've actually just had this question asked from a client, Leah, a good friend of mine. She had me inspect her waterfront property, and she was like, I'm so concerned about my HVAC. It's on the side, it's in a crawl space. And the answer is, your HVAC can be on the side, okay? Even though you see a lot of these, the stickers are actually up to down, right? So you actually turn your head to be able to read it properly. However, these machines, it's 2026. They're very high tech. They're very good machines, right? That are being built. And this one in particular, you're allowed to have it on the ground. The airflow can go sideways. It can go up. That's how the engineering works for this one. So, and you can see more of the ductwork. We just got inspected. We just passed. It's on to the next phase where we're gonna dig out this basement, create another room here underneath, floor to ceiling glass in the basement, new bathroom, full bathroom, sauna, and then an infinity pool over there. So we're just one step closer to completion. Super excited. Look, you can see the old HVAC. There you go. Bunch of trash right there. Wasn't good. Everything had to be redone. But it's better that way. I like to be able to sleep at night knowing, hey, it was done perfectly. Don't have to worry about it.